Hey yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have 3 box Naruto and Sasuke. This is the new version. I think this is 11 version, I think lah. And inside this pack, inside this box, we have 36 pack. I hope we can get luck on this box. I hope for SSP or SP Itachi and Kisame. I will open one of these.
I am very sorry if this video doesn't have good quality of sound.
I will open one by one. Kid Naruto, Kid Sakura, and Adult Sasuke. This is pack number 1. I hope you guys have a good week or a good day. And this is first pack. One of the pain, Sakura, Hayate maybe, and we got SSR Sasuke. Damn, look at this Naruto print name in this card. Looking fresh though. Okay, I put on that. On this side. Okay. Second pack. Another Discman. Duplicate again. Minato. And we got SR Nagato. Pack number 3. We have Kiba, Naruto, Mei maybe, and SSR Itachi. SSR Itachi looking nice. Perfect. Pick number 4. Sorry. We got Choji, Minato, one of the pain, and SSR Hayate. Maybe lah, I don't remember though. Next pack. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you're new here. If we have 1K subscriber, I will be happy. Okay, this is Hanabi, Sasuke, Minato, and another duplicate, SSR. I just want CP, UR, or SP and SSP. This is Kiba, this man, and SR Izuna. I think this is Izuna, or I don't know lah. What are you guys doing? Choji again. Mizukage. This is Sasori. Another pack. Kurenai, Fu, Hanabi, and SR Yagura. I want Boruto card, but this is not the Boruto card. Next time I will buy more. One of the pain, Sakura, Fugen, and SSR Sakura. With Kiba, Wonder Pain, Sakura, and SSR Kakashi. This is Hokage Kakashi. I think this is Hokage Kakashi. Another pack, another pack. Please give me a luck. Okay, we got Gara again, Fu, and SR Tsunade. Another pack. I hope we get CP, Kurenai, Deidara, and SR Chojuro. I don't know this name. Karin. What is this? And SR Sakon. Where is the rare card? I want SP. Kakashi again, Sasuke, and SR Kari. Another pack. Hanabi and SR Itachi. Damn. Perfect. I hope we get CP in this pack. Choji, Itachi, Sasuke, and SSR Itachi again. If you like this video, please check out this channel, this channel. They open Naruto Katsu. Okay, this is Temari, Nada, Sakura, and SR Choji. If you asking me where I get this box, I buy this box from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. And this is Kakashi. Whoa, damn, Obito. I like this. Obito, Sakura, and you are damn. This is Sasuke father. I think this is Sasuke father. Perfect. I will sleeve this.
This video is getting darker. For some reason, my lamp ran out of battery. Hahaha. I turned on the light for a moment.
Okay. Ini barulah terang. Sorry if my video so dark. Okay, we'll put this right here. This is the last pack. Maybe lah. I think this is the last pack. We don't have heat, and this is the heat. We got UR. And now this is the left side. I hope we can get 5 maybe UR or CP. Okay, we got Lee over here, Kabuto, Madara. Look at the Sharingan. And SSR, I don't know this name. This is Edo Tensei. Another pack. I think this book all of the Tetua or Fowa maybe. I don't watch all of Naruto. I just skip and go to the Boruto. And Naruto, Kabuto, and SSR. This is Itachi teammate, I think, before Kisame. Comment down below if you know this name. We have Deda, Sasori, Naruto again, and SSR duplicate. Madara, Minato, Joji, and SR Sakura. We got Sasori, Lee, and SR Hanzo. I think this is Hanzo. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I would love to see if you like this video. I hope we can get 10 likes on this video. Okay, this is Naruto, another, and Shikamaru, and SR Zabuza. If you watch this until now, I want you to comment awesome word, awesome, on this video in the comment section. This is Kakashi and SR Sasuke. Where is the rare card? I want the rare card. Shikamaru, Madara, another Obito, and You are Sasuke. Damn. Look at this. You are father and son. Damn, we got Sasuke. Let me sleeve this. I put right here. Father, son and father and son. Sasuke and his father. Another pack. We got Naruto. We have Fu, Hanabi, and SR Sasori. I need CP. I need the CP card. Sakura, Data, Temari, and I think this is Izuna. If I forgot this name, I will put in this side his name. Another pack. I am hunting for SP, Sasuke, Gaara, and SR Nagato. Another pack. I hope we can get CP. This is Shikamaru, another Shikamaru, and this is Sakura, and this is Gaara. What? Look at this. One eyes only. Gaara. Itachi, Sakura, one of the pen, and this is SR Conan. I need SP, Gaara, Kurenai, and damn, I think this is UR. This is UR Tobirama. We got 3 UR. Where is the CP? I need the CP card. Let me sleeve this. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. We put Tobirama right here. We have Minato, Temari, Gaara, and SSR. This is Ao, A-N-O, I think Ao pronunciation. This is Ao. We have 3 pack left. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I love to see if you like this video. Okay, this is the third last pack. Where is my CP card? Conan, Sasori, and SSR Shikamaru. Shikamaru father. I don't remember this name, but I will put over here. This is second last. Obito, one of the pain, Kiba, and SR Gara again. This is the last pack. I hope I can get nice cut in this pack. We have Sakura, Kurenai, Conan, and we got You Are Kimimaru. So far we get 4 You Are. Damn. This is the last card. Look at this. Let me sleeve this first. And yes, this is the last You Are we got. Let me doing a recap what I got in this pack. This is the SR cut we got. We have SSR cut here. Oh no, sorry Itachi. Sorry Itachi. Too many duplicates on this SR. And this is the UR cut we got in this pack. We have Sasuke, Kimimaru, Tobirama, and Fugaku. Maybe this is Fugaku Uchiha. And this is my favorite card. Comment down below which is your favorite card. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for today's video. I hope you enjoy this and share with your friend who likes Naruto. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.